here to conduct a session on behalf of the Tribune on 7 skills for success in life. And this session was really amazing. The energy that the children brought in here and the response was really amazing. I really enjoyed conducting the session. और बहुत इंटरेक्टिव रहा, बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छे जवाब भी दिए। और जो एक मेजर चीज़ निकल कर के आई, वो बच्चों का जो कंसर्न है वो है उनकी टाइम मैनेजमेंट और दूसरा है स्ट्रेस। तो ये चीज़ें बिल्कुल सही हैं। हमारे बच्चों में, स्कूल में बच्चों में बहुत ज़्यादा देखी जा रही हैं कि स्ट्रेस जो है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है और हमें इस चीज़ के ऊपर काम करने की बहुत ज़रूरत है। पेरेंट्स को भी, स्कूल्स को भी, टीचर्स को भी, कि हम बच्चों को कंफर्टेबल फील कराएं और दे शुड नेवर गेट स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट देयर फ्यूचर, अबाउट मार्क्स एंड अबाउट देयर करियर एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। तो जितना वो रिलैक्स रहेंगे उतनी उनकी डिसीजन मेकिंग अच्छी रहेगी, उतने उनके एफर्ट्स जो हैं वो ज़्यादा फ्रूटफुल होंगे। तो यही मेरा आज के सेशन का जो है वो मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव था। बहुत मज़ा आया सेशन कंडक्ट करके। थैंक यू टू द ट्रिब्यून फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी।
Is the bestest event of the Tri-City, and it has captured more of students, and not just a seminar but transformed the lives of different students along with the parents, with the right guidance, right career blueprint, and with the best of the institutes coming over here, not just for the choices of the degrees but also for their success within themselves and their lives. Because एक बच्चे के साथ सिर्फ बच्चे की ज़िंदगी नहीं है, उनके साथ बहुत सारे लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, और अगर सही डायरेक्शन के साथ में क्लैरिटी आ जाए, वही उद्देश्य था द ट्रिब्यून एडू एक्सपर्ट 2026 Adigarh, psychologist and career counselor, Chandigarh.
Hello everyone, I am Sanvi Walia and I have scored 100% marks in class 10 CBSE board examinations this year. I have studied in St. Anne's Convent School and I feel really grateful that I could achieve this perfect score. The credit obviously goes to my hard work, but along with it, it was not the only aspect that could help me achieve this. My parents, their constant support, my whole family, my teachers, they all helped me throughout the process. And today I have attended this Edu Expo in Kisan Bhavan Sector 35, Chandigarh. And I feel it's a great platform for upcoming students who are going to pursue different kinds of careers, as they can get multitudes of exposure here. Yeah, I think here I can see a lot of options which I can explore for and choose the one which is going to be best for me in the upcoming few years. I was consistent throughout my class 10th, and before that as well, my parents have supported me. My mother is a teacher, so she always used to guide me everywhere in every aspect, either it is regarding studies or the discipline, or an atmosphere that is very important in our house that has to be there to help us achieve this score. I would suggest all of the other students who are going to give their board examinations to believe in yourself, to always be confident, and there are a lot of people, those who may say things about you which is not exactly true. So if you know and you believe in yourself, then I think you can achieve anything in this world. Nothing is impossible.
My name is Mahi. I am from The Tribune School and I have recently scored 97.2% in The Tribune School. And in this event, I got to know about various career options. I got to learn how I can build my confidence and my continuity in my subjects. I learned about various fields, like there was Chitkara University, the courses which are there offering, and NIFT, how I can pursue fashion designing if I want. And in the mentorship session, the sir told us how we can build our skills, the recent skills like on AI and new technological fields, coding, and many more.
So my name is Aryan Singhal and I am a student of Bhavan Vidyalaya of Sector 15 Panchkula, and recently I scored 97.4% in my class 10th results CBSE. So I have come here to Edu Expo, and it has been a very good experience for me, as they have showcased my talent also here, and I have been able to see for other institutes and everything etc. that is all here. So it was a very great and pleasant environment. Thank you.